What's good, YouTube? This is Kersey here with another Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for you. I'm just transitioning from over the electrical over to the 5/8 inch sheetrock. I was starting to tape up everything here. Right before that, I just figured I'd do another quick video for you. But I'm just showing off here the 53 by 33 inch concession window. Pretty much I'm just showing here that cutout. Everything's over here looking flawless as it should. Everything's on point. Also the concession window here as well, and also the recess window for the 39 inch TV. Everything here is looking right, looking on point. I just gotta put the 90s on there and get that all looking right. This is how everything is looking here, where the refrigerator will be located. Everything needs to be done there. And also, this is the housing, for the spotlights that will have to get cut out and be put up next. And that's just it. Everything has a space. Has a good 4 inches up top where it has plenty of space up there. Also here, this is just your work here as far as the cutout for the outlets. Everything's on point as it should. Everything is sharp. There's no more games. There's no big gaps or nothing like that. Everything's tight. Just take your time. Everything's gonna come out the way it's supposed to come out here. I'm gonna transition out here out to the front and the driver's side. I just wanted to show right here just the overall profile of the my work, how close I just come to the existing condition of that sliding door, how close I came to that ceiling all up top, and everything here as well. So everything's looking on point, it's sharp, and that sheetrock, it just rides straight down that rail, and everything is looking right. Everything is on point, it's sharp. I anchored the 3/4 inch subflooring down with the sheet metal screws, and again, everything's factory to factory. You see how close it is. That profile here as well, profile that I got around the driver's window. Also that factory to factory, plywood to plywood. Everything's on point. Everything's anchored down. It's pretty soon I'll be moving on to the waterproof and vapor barrier, and then follow up with that vinyl flooring. Everything's flawless. And then I'm just going to leave this open. Of course, I'm not going to compound or anything like that. I want to save that for later, where I will later install the plumbing. I just want to get ahead of the curve here and just get the sheetrock up for the meantime. But that's where I'm at with the sheetrock in here. And then also, these are those light wells that I was referencing from before. You don't even see the main source of the light. It just will allow some light to filter down. Again, this is just another view. You see nothing there. And I'm just gonna get those 90s on there. Everything's gonna be looking flawless as it should. There's a nice little hierarchy there. They'll show a nice little detail there. And again, smooth. Everything's flawless here. Once everything is cleaned up, everything's gonna be right and it's gonna be on point. Here I'm just showing just a pedestal that I built here. It's just going to serve as a divider. It will divide the employee sink from the 6-foot sink here, or I should say the 6-foot countertop